Kinds of sentences with examples. 1. Assertive sentences, declarative sentences. Used to state facts or opinions. Structure. Subject plus verb plus object, positive. Subject plus auxiliary verb plus not plus main verb plus object, negative. Examples. I like mangoes.
मुझे आम पसंद हैं.
She does not go to school on Sunday.
वह रविवार को स्कूल नहीं जाती है.
2. Interrogative sentences. Used to ask questions. Structure. A yes/no questions. Auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb plus object. Do you play cricket?
क्या तुम क्रिकेट खेलते हो?
B. WH questions. WH word plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb plus object. Where do you live?
तुम कहाँ रहते हो?
3. Imperative sentences. Used to give commands, requests, or advice. Structure. You plus base verb plus object. Examples. Please sit down.
कृपया बैठ जाइए.
Don't make noise.
शोर मत करो.
4. Exclamatory sentences. Used to express strong emotions. Structure. What/how plus adjective plus subject plus verb. Or. Interjection plus sentence. Examples. What a beautiful flower it is.
क्या सुंदर फूल है यह.
Oh no! I forgot my keys.
अरे नहीं, मैं अपनी चाबियां भूल गया.
5. Optative sentences. Used to express wishes or prayers. Structure. May plus subject plus verb plus object. Examples. May God bless you.
भगवान तुम्हारा भला करे.
Wish you a happy journey.
आपकी यात्रा शुभ हो.